today we'll be making a very nutritious and simple dessert. And can you guess what it is? It's fruit salad! I've prepared different types of fruits to make the fruit salad. We have watermelon, apples, and mangoes, and bananas, and even this large bowl, and even milk. First of all, let's put the bananas. Wait, before we put in the bananas, did you know that bananas carry a very good source of several vitamins and minerals, especially potassium and vitamin B6 and vitamin C. Next we have the apples. The apples have fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and potassium. Apples. Next up are the mangoes. Mangoes are one of the highest food sources of vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for your immune system. Eating mangoes improves plant iron absorption due to its vitamin C content. Now let's pour in the mangoes. Next up are watermelons, my favorite. The watermelon is nutritious too. It has a high water content and also delivers many important nutrients, including lycopene and vitamin C. We all know drinking water is an important way to keep your body hydrated. Good thing watermelon is 92% water. Last, we have the milk to keep it sweet and yummy. Milk is filled with nutrients. It provides potassium, B12, calcium, vitamin D, and many more. Did you know milk is a good source of protein? Protein is necessary for your vital function in your body, including growth and development. So what are you waiting for? Make your own version of this nutritious dessert.